Hello and welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will talk about functions in PHP. So what are functions? Functions are basically a group of code that gets executed repeatedly when we call the name of the function. Let me just give you an example so that you can understand better. So let's open our editor, and here in the demo directory we have a file called associativearray.php. So just open this file, and here you can see we have this code. Okay, so what if suppose we want to use this whole code in other pages? Okay, this is only right now in this page, but if we want to access this same code in several other pages, then what we need to do, we need to copy everything and then we have to paste it in all the pages we need this code to be. But with the power of functions, we can simply put all this code inside a function, and then later on we can just call this we can access this whole code by just calling the name of the function in the other pages. So let me just go to this page, functions.php. I have created this new page, functions.php, inside this demo directory of ours. So let's drop some PHP in this body section, and let me show you how we write a function. So we write with a reserved word in PHP, and that is called function. Okay, so this is the keyword function. Now we need to give the name of the function. So it is very important to give a logical name that you will understand what code is inside. You can't name this anything or else you will get confused later on. You have to name this very accurately so that you can understand what this function is for. So let me say here function, and I will name this function as say something. Okay, so this function will only say, give us a message. Then there's a first bracket and then the curly braces. Okay, so this is the structure of a function: the keyword function, then the name of the function, then this first brackets, and then this first brackets, and then this curly braces, and inside this curly braces we will have our whole code. So suppose here I have a echo statement, and let's write something in here. Hi, how are you doing? Okay, now save this. Now go to your browser. Okay, so this is we are in localhost, then our demo directory, and in here you can see the file functions.php. Now let's open this. See, we are getting a blank page, nothing is getting displayed. Why? Because here we have only declared the array. We have, sorry, not the array, the function. We have declared the function. This is called the function declaration. We have created the function, but we haven't called the function yet. To access the function, we need to call the function also, and until and unless we will call the function, it will not work. So how do we call a function? We just need to call it by its name, and the name is say something, right? And then this first brackets, open and close, and semicolon. Now if I save this and go to the browser and hit refresh, see, we are getting the message printed. Okay, how you are doing. Now let's do some more things. That this is the function declaration. Okay, you saw that this is the function declaration, and inside this function declaration we can also first let's create some other function declarations. Okay, this is one function declaration. Let's remove this, and let's change. Okay, let it be here for your reference. I will just comment this out. Fine. Now let's create another function. Function, and let's call this init. So, and in here we will write some function calling. But first let's declare some other functions also. Function add in here. What we'll do, we will just add some numbers, echo 34 plus 56. Okay, now let's create another function. Let's call this function say hello, and let's do a echo statement. Hello everyone. Now let's save this, and inside this function declaration, the init function, we will call these two functions below. How we will call them? Just by their name, add and say hello. Okay, let's put a br tag in between so that both of them are printed in different lines. Okay, so what I have done here, I have created a function called function init, and inside that function I have two function calling. Okay, and these two function callings are being called inside from this function, but the declaration of these functions are below here. Okay, so what I am doing here is I am calling another function from inside another function. Now if I save this, go to the browser and hit refresh, see nothing is getting displayed. Can you tell why? If you have already guessed it, then very good. So what we haven't done yet, we have declared this function add, fine. We have declared this function say hello, fine. And then we are calling both the functions. This add function we are calling by its name, and then we are also calling the say hello function by its name. But why the message is not getting printed? Because these two function callings are inside this function init. It's a function declaration in total. Okay, this line and this line are function calling for these two function. Okay, but the whole thing here is a function declaration, and to access this whole function, this function, we need to call this function also, and that is the init function. Okay, so what we'll do here, we will call this function. How? Init, just by its name. Save this, go to your browser and hit refresh. See, we are getting 90 and hello everyone. So I think that you got the basic idea that what is a function, why functions are used. Functions are basically used to execute a code repeatedly. Okay, and how we write a function, we write a function like this, we declare this function like this, and then we call a function like this. We can even call other functions inside from a function like I have done here. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. Please leave a like and comment down below. If you have any problem, I will definitely respond back to you. And please like, share and subscribe my videos, and in the next lecture I will show you how we can pass parameters in our function. Okay, so let's jump into the next lecture. Till then, thank you, have a great day.